Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to all in Shabab Al Fahad International School. Today we will talk about light and dark. Here is the warm up. Here you can see sources of light. We discussed before. There are two types of sources, natural sources and man-made or artificial sources of light. Natural sources are the sun and the moon. There are many, and man-made are candle and bulb. There are many. Today's objectives are students will be able to know sources of light, how a shadow changes, assessment. Shadow is only made by the sun. This statement is true or false. We can see the picture. This shadow is made by the sun, but this shadow is made by the torchlight, and these shadows are made by different filters. So this statement is false, wrong. Next, shadows are formed when an object blocks light. True or false? So this object is blocking the way of light. So the shadow is there. It means this statement is true. Shadow is made when an object blocks light. Next statement is shadows never change size. True or false? Look at the boy. The shadow is this long. Okay, the length is this. If the sun, suppose the sun is here on this position. When the sun will come up here, the shadow will be here. So the shadow will become short or smaller. So when if the sun from this position comes down here, so the shadow will be longer than this. So we can say this statement is false because shadow change their size. Shadows change their size. Okay, your assessment is you are asked to write natural sources of light here, 3, and artificial sources of light here. 3 kinds of artificial and 3 kinds of natural resources of light. You can use word bank. Number 1, lamp, fire, tube light, volcano, stars, and torch. At last, I would like to thank Mr. Muhammad Ibrahim, who is our academic supervisor, and Mr. Muhammad Sakr, who is media person for Shabab Al Fahd International School. Thank you.